Pickup time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Take a look at this one, 1986 Chevrolet C10 Silverado, regular cab, short box, nice looking stance, been lowered. 350 crate underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Let's take a look at this front bumper, grille, headlight surrounds. Nice clean looking truck, dark blue metallic with the gray cab and gray lower rockers. Now if you want to check out the still pictures, you can see the engine bay, underside, interior. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726 so we take a look down the passenger side, how nice and straight that truck is. Wow. Interior, blue cloth, bent seat. Of course with the Silverado, nicely equipped, power windows, power locks, tilt, cruise. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Let's take a look at this rear tailgate. Chrome on the bumper. Also nice condition, a little bit of a dinger right there, but not much. Spray and bed liner, great shape. This truck would be definitely fun for any of your local roll-ins, cruise-in, shows. Once again, still pictures, so you can see it top to bottom, inside and out. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you there. And let's take a look up and down this driver's side. Again, you can see how nice and straight those panels are. Short box side looking good. And here you can make out the color a little bit easier on this side. So you got the cab and the lower rockers, gray metallic and the blue metallic, and that paint shows well, as you can see. All right, door panels, good condition. I noticed this clip is in the glove box. Was missing one of the little deals that slide in there, but that clip is in the glove box. And speaking of glove box, you can see the RPO codes, or the actual options, and how this truck would have came new from General Motors back in 1986 in the still pictures. Of course, here's your power windows, power lock switches, tilt column. Take a look at the top of that dash. Nice shape, seat free of rips, tears, holes, seat belts intact. Headliner, also good shape. All right, one other thing I want to mention is if you look in the still pictures, you're going to notice this truck does have tinted windows. Make sure you know your local and state regulations on darker window tints. So check those out in the still pictures. This 350 has a FiTech fuel injection system. That's why it fired right off when I clicked the key over. It also has an aftermarket stereo system in here, and again, AC blows cold. Speaking of which, just turn it off. No need to freeze. Alright. Nicely equipped truck. Door closes beautiful. Flip around to the back. Nice sounding truck too. A little rumble coming out of that 350. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop the hood, open it up, let's check out that engine bay and we'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Underside of the hood, nice and clean and tidy, and look at this engine bay. Again, crate 350, paired to that turbo hydromatic, automatic transmission, turbo 350. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, also converted 134, not the R12. Nice setup. Good looking engine bay, also good sounding. 1986 Chevrolet C10 Silverado, regular cab, short box, lowered, good looking truck, give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.